Welcome to Back to the Bible. You're listening to A Time to be Renewed by Wiersbe.
November 16th. Restoring Broken Relationships. One of the most difficult things to do is to rebuild a shattered relationship. Unfortunately, there are many shattered relationships today in homes, churches, and ministries, and they can be repaired and strengthened only when people face problems honestly, deal with them biblically and lovingly, and seek to get right with God. As you and I examine our own lives, we must determine to be part of the answer and not part of the problem. We must show appreciation, practice separation from evil, and encourage reconciliation if God is to use us to restore broken relationships. Today's verse: Come and let us return unto the Lord, for he hath torn, and he will heal us. He hath smitten, and he will bind us up. Hosea chapter 6, verse 1. Consider Lamentations chapter 3 verses 40 to 41, Micah chapter 7 verse 9, Luke chapter 15 verses 17 to 20, 1 Corinthians chapter 7 verses 10 to 11, and 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 25. Talk with the Lord about a broken relationship that you may have. Determined to receive strength from God to restore this relationship. Amen.
Back to the Bible, leading people into a dynamic relationship with God.